everybody, this is Coral once again, and I hope you're all doing good. So today's video, by the way, is gonna be an unboxing video, and the item that I have right here is far different from what I have normally unboxed based on my previous video. So without further ado, I'm gonna be cutting the plastic off so you can already see these product inside. So using the same scissors, I'm gonna be cutting this off first. So this is from one of the most leading online shop in the Philippines, Lazada.com, of course. Okay, this is just a small item, and of course, as expected, this is still wrapped with a bubble wrap. This is why I love how they are pack those products from this online shop, because it's guaranteed that there is gonna be no damage or scratch when it is being packed using the bubble wrap. So just gonna be cutting this off too. Okay, so there we go. So this is mesh nebulizer. So the main and only reason why we purchased this one is because of personal use, of course, due to health problems or issues. That's why we have purchased this one. So just a short story. Just recently, that one member of our family had been through cough and clogged nose, so we thought that buying this nebulizer will be helpful for our loved one, and this is gonna be used not only for kids but also for adults. So let's see what's inside this box. Okay guys, so once again, this is mesh nebulizer. So I'll be opening the box so we can see a better look on the item itself. So there you go. Up at the top is the instruction, or this is manual, I think. Okay, this is how it looks like, and it has a lot of pages, so it's better this way so that you will be able to understand better how to use this product. Okay, so next to it is, so this is inside of plastic. I'm gonna have to cut this open so I can show it to you one by one. Okay, so this is suction nozzle. Okay, this is how it looks like, and this one is a face mask for children. This is a little bit smaller than the one for adult. Okay, very clear. Okay, of course this one is for the one for adult, the adult mask, a little bit bigger than the one for the children. Of course, still very clear. There you go. Next to it is, this is the power cord, which is 1.5 meters, colored white. This is nice. Okay, so I guess this is now the product main frame. So I like it that it's being also enclosed in a plastic. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is really nice. It's handy, portable, handheld. It's very light, compact. Okay, and okay, so this is a storage bag. wherein you can put it all together in this small pocket or bag. Okay, so just to give it a heads up, guys, so it has also, this one is the medicine cup. This one right here is the medicine cup, and this is the dust cover. You can remove this one. This is how it looks like. Okay, so let me try to put in this its parts. So once again, this is the cup cover. Let me see if I can, okay, there we go. This is the cup cover, and this one is the medicine cup. This is where you are gonna put in the medicine that will be prescribed to you by your physician. Okay, as I have mentioned earlier, this is the dust cover, and once you pull this off, you will see that there is a little hole in here, which is the fog outlet. So once again, this is the part wherein you are gonna put in or plugged in the adult mask or face mask for children. So just make sure that you are doing the right position correctly. So if I'm gonna do it myself, it should look like this. Okay, the portion wherein there are holes should be facing each other. Okay, so that's how you will do it. This is the inhalation mask. Let me turn this around, guys, and this is where you will see some switches. The one right here is for the drug cap disassembly button. Okay, so when you press this one, that's the time that this cap will be removed. Also, there is also a USB power interface here. This is where you are gonna plug in your power cord when you will need to charge this product. Also on the other side of this one is where you can see the power switch. So this is just only one switch to power it on and off. Also, at the bottom part of this product, it also has the battery compartment. Let me just try to open this one. There you go. You need to have two AA battery for you to power this product. But we have to advise you guys that if you are gonna plug this equipment into your power, the power in your house, you will have to remove the battery first so that this equipment will not be damaged. Small size, and it is easy to carry, and enjoy peace of mind anytime, anywhere. Close to 0 decibels, fine particles, dual power supply mode, less drug residue. Simple operation, large amount of fog particles as small as 1 to 5 micrometer. 2 atomization modes. Choose according to the situation: nearly silent, low noise design, atomized liquid by ultrasonic vibration to avoid noise formation. These are the specifications. Material is made up of ABS. Time to market 2018.6. Power mode USB. Size 202 by 120 by 62 millimeter. Its model is YSL-C1. Its weight is 0.11 kilograms. Applicable parts: head, and the color is blue. The atomizer is to atomize the test solution. The atomizer is an important component of the atomization system, and its performance has a significant impact on the precision of the measurement and chemical interference Therefore, it is required that the atomizer spray is stable. The droplets are fine, uniform, and the atomization efficiency is high. Mainly used for treatment of various upper and lower respiratory diseases such as colds, fever, cough, asthma, sore throat, pharyngitis, rhinitis, bronchitis, pneumoconiosis, and other diseases in the trachea, bronchi, alveolar, chest. Nebulized inhalation therapy is an important and effective treatment method for the treatment of respiratory diseases. The nebulizer is used to atomize the liquid into tiny particles, and the drug enters the respiratory tract and lungs by breathing inhalation, thereby achieving painlessness. The purpose of rapid and effective treatment. Once again, mesh nebulizer. So well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you're interested in this item, the product that I have right here, I'll just put the link on the description down below so you can also check it with yourself. There are still a lot of specifications about this product, so I recommend you checking it first. So if you like to get one, you will have the reference. And also, please also do not forget to visit our Facebook page, and of course, give it a thumbs up too. It is unboxing and everything, as well as our Twitter account, unboxing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!